How to use Quick Share to quickly transfer data from Samsung to Samsung or Samsung to any other Android device. You can use Quick Share feature to quickly transfer data like photos, videos, and any other media file from your Samsung to Samsung or any other Android device. To use this, first of all, turn off the all mobile data, Wi-Fi or any other settings on your device. You need to only turn on the Bluetooth on both device. So now tap on a done after that. Now swipe down the notification panel and you can find the quick share option in your notification panel. Make sure select the everyone. Open the quick share setting on your phone and here you can find the option show available device on share panel or who can share with you. Make sure select the everyone option on the both device. Now open the gallery. You want to send photo, videos quickly. Here we open the gallery. Now select the video or photos. Here we select both photos and video on my device. Tap on the share button at the bottom. Now here you can find the quick share option. If you can't find it, scroll like this and find the tap on a more to find the quick share option. So tap the quick share option. Now here you can find the available device nearby. So tap on the your device name. Now wait until recognize your device to other device. Now you can see the pop-up quick share. Tap on the accept. Now you can see transfer, quickly transfer your data. You want the long video, you can transfer data within a few seconds or minute using this quick share feature on your Samsung to Samsung device or Samsung to any other Android device. So quite helpful feature. Now you can see complete. Tap on open or close to view the available data. So quite easy to use quick share on your Samsung and any other Android device to transfer data. That's it. If you like it, share it.